Okay, so a couple of examples of the test to be done. And you are picking a point either side of the line that you've just drawn. And in the first example, we're going to take the origin. So we are going to take 0, 0, and we are going to put it into our inequality. 0, 0 is not on our line. That is important. We mark it on so you can see it. It's been marked on there so we can see which side of our line it is. In that case, once we put the x and y values 0, 0, we get 0 is less than 6, which is true. That's a true statement to make. So our point is on the right side of our line, and we shade on the side of the line that the point is on. If we see the red inequality, we've got the red line that we're interested in, and I'm going to choose a different point. Even though the origin doesn't lie on this line, I would normally use that. Let's just choose a random point because this always works with any points. So we've got x and y as 1 and 7 respectively. If we put 7 in for y and 1 in for x, we get 7 is less than 3. Well, that is just false. There's no getting around that. 7 is not less than 3. So we are on the wrong side of our line with this point. That's on the wrong side of the line. So the side that conforms to the inequality is the side that we've just shaded.